Today I am going to tell you 10 important key points from the Farthest documentary film directed by Emer Reynolds, which explores the history and legacy of NASA's Voyager space missions. Here are 10 key points from the documentary. The first key point is as follows. The Voyager missions were a series of robotic spacecraft launched by NASA in 1977 with the goal of exploring the outer planets of our solar system. The spacecraft were designed to study the planets and their moons, as well as the rings and magnetic fields surrounding them. The Voyager missions were a follow-up to the earlier Pioneer missions, which explored the inner planets of our solar system. The Voyager spacecraft were launched using Titan III rockets from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Voyager 1 was launched on September 5, 1977, followed by Voyager 2 on August 20, 1977. The two spacecraft were launched a few weeks apart to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment that would allow them to visit all four outer planets in a single mission. The second key point is as follows. The Voyager spacecraft were equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers, that allowed them to capture detailed images and collect data about the outer planets of our solar system. The spacecraft were able to take close-up images of the planets and their moons, revealing details that had never been seen before. One of the most famous images captured by the Voyager spacecraft is the pale blue dot photograph, which shows Earth as a tiny speck of light in the vastness of space. This image was taken by Voyager 1 as it was leaving our solar system and has become an iconic image of our place in the universe. The data collected by the Voyager spacecraft has allowed scientists to study the geology, atmospheres, and magnetic fields of the outer planets in detail. The spacecraft also made important discoveries about the moons of these planets, including the detection of geysers on Neptune's moon Triton and the discovery of a subsurface ocean on Jupiter's moon Europa. The third key point is as follows. The Voyager missions were designed to take advantage of a rare alignment of the outer planets that occurs only once every 176 years. This alignment allowed the spacecraft to use each planet's gravity to slingshot itself to the next destination, saving fuel and allowing the spacecraft to travel farther than would have been possible otherwise. The first destination for the Voyager spacecraft was Jupiter, which it reached in 1979. The spacecraft then used Jupiter's gravity to slingshot itself to Saturn, which it reached in 1980. Voyager 2 then continued on to Uranus, reaching the planet in 1986, and finally to Neptune, which it reached in 1989. The gravity assist technique used by the Voyager spacecraft has since become a standard method for exploring the outer solar system, and has been used by subsequent missions such as the Galileo and Cassini missions. The fourth key point is as follows. Despite being launched more than 40 years ago, both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are still operational and sending data back to Earth. The spacecraft are powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, RTG, which converts the heat from the decay of radioactive isotopes into electricity. The Voyager spacecraft are now located in the outer reaches of our solar system, beyond the orbit of Pluto. Voyager 1 is currently the farthest human-made object from Earth, at a distance of over 14 billion miles, 23 billion kilometers, from our planet. Voyager 2 is slightly closer, at a distance of over 11 billion miles, 18 billion kilometers. Despite their distance, the Voyager spacecraft are still able to communicate with Earth using the Deep Space Network, a network of antennas around the world that are used to communicate with robotic spacecraft. The data sent back by the Voyager spacecraft is still being analyzed by scientists, providing new insights into the outer reaches of our solar system. The fifth key point is as follows. The Voyager spacecraft are equipped with a golden record, a phonograph record that contains images, sounds, and music from Earth. The record was created by a team led by Carl Sagan and was intended to be a message to any extraterrestrial life that might encounter the spacecraft. The golden record contains a wide variety of content. including images of the Earth and its inhabitants, recordings of greetings in 55 languages, and a selection of music from around the world. The music includes works by Bach, Beethoven, and Mozart, as well as traditional music from various cultures. While it is unlikely that the Voyager spacecraft will ever be encountered by extraterrestrial life, the Golden Record is a symbol of humanity's curiosity and desire to explore the universe and connect with other civilizations. The sixth key point is as follows. The Voyager missions faced a number of challenges and risks, including technical difficulties with the spacecraft, limited funding, and the risk of the spacecraft colliding with space debris. In addition, the Voyager spacecraft were launched during a time of political and economic uncertainty, with the United States facing budget cuts and the end of the Cold War. Despite these challenges, the Voyager missions were able to achieve their goals thanks to the dedication of the scientists and engineers involved in the project. The Voyager spacecraft were designed to be robust and adaptable, with redundant systems and a flexible mission plan that allowed the spacecraft to adjust their trajectory based on new discoveries. The seventh key point is as follows. The Voyager missions have made numerous scientific discoveries that have revolutionized our understanding of the outer solar system. Among the most significant discoveries are the active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io, which were first observed by Voyager 1 in 1979. The spacecraft also captured detailed images of Saturn's rings, revealing their complex structure and composition. Another major discovery was the detection of a possible subsurface ocean on Jupiter's moon Europa. The Voyager spacecraft observed cracks and ridges on the moon's surface that suggested the presence of a liquid layer beneath the icy surface. This discovery has sparked interest in the possibility of life on Europa and has led to the development of future missions to explore the moon. The eighth key point is as follows. The Voyager missions have captured the public imagination and have inspired countless works of art and culture. The iconic, pale blue dot photograph, taken by Voyager 1, has been featured in numerous films, books, and music videos. The Voyager spacecraft have also been depicted in movies and television shows, including the Star Trek franchise. The Golden Record, with its images, sounds, and music from Earth, has been hailed as a work of art in its own right, and has been exhibited in museums and galleries around the world. The record has also inspired a number of musical compositions, including a piece by the composer Laurie Spiegel that features sounds from the Voyager spacecraft. The Voyager missions have also had a lasting impact on the public's perception of space exploration. The missions demonstrated the power of scientific exploration and the ability of technology to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. The Voyager spacecraft continue to inspire curiosity and wonder about our place in the universe. The ninth key point is as follows. Despite being launched over 40 years ago, the Voyager spacecraft are still functioning and transmitting data back to Earth. The spacecraft are powered by radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, which convert the heat produced by radioactive decay into electricity. The RTGs are expected to continue generating power until around 2025, after which the spacecraft will no longer be able to communicate with Earth. However, even after the Voyager spacecraft cease transmitting data, they will continue their journey through interstellar space, carrying with them the Golden Record and a message from humanity about our existence and our desire to explore the universe. The 10th key point is as follows. The Voyager missions represent one of the greatest achievements in human exploration, demonstrating the power of technology, human ingenuity, and scientific exploration. The missions have pushed the boundaries of our understanding of the solar system and our place in the universe, and have inspired future generations of scientists and explorers. The Voyager spacecraft are a testament to the power of curiosity and the human spirit of exploration, and a reminder of our innate desire to explore the unknown and to understand our place in the universe. The legacy of the Voyager missions will continue to inspire generations to come, fueling a continued interest in space exploration and a curiosity about the mysteries of the universe. And that's the end of the documentary. Thank you for listening.